हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल? वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल बेंचमार्क स्टडी। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। और आज हम करने वाले हैं मंथली एमसीक्यू सीरीज का पार्ट 6 फॉर द फरवरी मंथ। अगर आपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर्स हमारे नहीं देखे हैं तो मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में इसके लिंक दिए हैं, आप वहां पे जाके चेक कर सकते हैं। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन। Question number 1 is, who is appointed as a brand ambassador of Khadi and the other handicrafts of Bihar? So your answer is option number C, that is Manoj Tiwari. Question number 2 is, Dash invested in upcoming digital bank Zend to provide retail and corporate services in UAE. So your answer is option number B, that is Aditya Birla Group. Question number 3 is, recently in February, which country revealed a new domestically made long-range ballistic surface-to-surface missile named Khyber Sekhan? So your answer is option number E, that is it is launched by the Iran. Question number 4 is, name the organization that recently in February launched Quit Tobacco app to help people end tobacco consumption. So here answer is option number A, that is World Health Organization. And India जो है वो second largest producer and consumer है of the tobacco products. ठीक है, अगर प्रोड्यूसर की बात की जाए तो सबसे पहले आता है नंबर चाइना का, एंड अगर देन इंडिया का. ओके, एंड अगर कंज्यूमर की बात की जाए तो सबसे ज्यादा ब्राजील में कंज्यूमर है इसके, देन इन इंडिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज, Navar's EduTech will launch 100 student developed satellite constellations in the next 5 years in collaboration with which organization? So here answer is option number D, that is with the Skyroot Aerospace. Question number 6 is, SpaceX engineer Anna Menon and 3 other members were announced as a crew members for the which space mission in February 2022. So इनका जो मिशन है इसका नाम है Polaris Dawn. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 7 is, which state/UTs launched the Kunseong scheme to provide assistive devices and technologies for the differently abled persons? So ये launch किया गया है by the Ladakh government. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 8 is, recently in February, which ministry launched seed for welfare of DNTs, NTs and SNTs? So your answer is option number B, that is Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. And इसमें जो outlay है, जो पैसे दिए जाएंगे for the 5 years, that is 200 crore rupees. Question number 9 is, which of the following points are incorrect with respect to the New India Literacy Program NILP approved in February 2022? So firstly, we will go through the statement. Statement 1 says, the Ministry of Education approved NILP scheme for 10 years to cover all aspects of adult education to align with National Education Policy 2020. Second is, Ministry of Education replaced the term adult education with education for all to cover non-literates of the age of 15 years and above. Third says, the total estimation of NILP is rupees 1037.90 crore, of which the central government and state government share is, central का कितना है 700 crore and for the state it is 337.90 crore rupees. So here answer is option number A, that is only statement 1 is incorrect. और यहाँ पे correction क्या है, that is कि scheme जो है वो आपकी 5 years की है, not for the 10 years. So option number A is the correct answer. Question number 10 is, which organization partnered with Niti Aayog to host the first ever open to all hackathon that will showcase path-breaking solution for the fintech ecosystem? So here answer is option number B, that is with the PhonePe. ये जो पार्टनरशिप हुई है ये हुई आपके फोन पे के साथ. एंड यहाँ पे जो प्राइज मनी रखी गई है, जो फर्स्ट टीम जीतेगी उसके लिए है 1.5 लाख, देन 1 लाख एंड देन फॉर 75,000. ओके. Question number 11 is, name the organization that recently in February launched a new digital strategy 2022-2025 which will accelerate the work towards achieving the sustainable development goals. So here answer is option number E, that is ये organization है United Nation Development Program. Question number 12 is, recently in February SIDBI signed MOU with which state/UT government to promote MSME sector? So here answer is option number C, that is Bihar. एंड बिहार जो है वो 14th ऐसा स्टेट है जिसके साथ जो सिडबी है उन्होंने कोलैबोरेशन की है फॉर द एमएसएमई टू स्ट्रेंथन एमएसएमई सेक्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 इज, विच लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी लॉन्च इट्स न्यू इंश्योरेंस प्लान नेम्ड फ्लेक्सी एज? सो ये किसका है? फ्लेक्सी एज जो है प्लान वो है ऑप्शन नंबर बी, दैट इज कैनरा HSBC OBC लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड का प्लान है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 इज विच बैंक empaneled with the eNAM portal to facilitate digital transaction across India. So it is done by the IndusInd Bank. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 15 is name the bank that partnered with Fisdom, a wealth tech company, to offer wealth management products and services to their customers. So here answer is option number B, that is Bank of Maharashtra. Question number 16 is according to Gold Hub, RBI emerged as the dash largest buyer of gold among the world's central banks in 2021 while dash topped the list. So जो RBI है, RBI का रैंक है सेकेंड एंड टॉप किया है इसे सेंट्रल बैंक ऑफ थाईलैंड ने। सो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Question number 17 is which bank recently in February won 6 awards including Best Technology Bank of the Year 2021 under the Small Bank segment at IBA's 17th Annual Banking and Technology Awards 2021. So ये अवार्ड जीते हैं साउथ इंडियन बैंक ने। सो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Question number 18 is who is appointed as India's first National Maritime Security Coordinator in the National Security Council Secretariat? So your answer is option number B, that is G. Ashok Kumar. Now question number 19 is which state/UT's police force became India's first security force to launch smart card arms license and Shashastra mobile app? So your answer is option number D, that is Delhi Police. Question number 20 is which of the following points are incorrect with respect to the green hydrogen green ammonia policy? So statement number 1 says Ministry of Power notified the green hydrogen green ammonia policy for implementation by the concerned stakeholders. Second says green hydrogen ammonia plants will be granted open access for sourcing of renewable energy within 15 days of recipients of application. Third says green hydrogen ammonia manufacturer can bank his unconsumed renewable energy up to 40 days with the distribution company and take it back when required. So here answer is option number C, that is only third statement is incorrect. और इसमें correction क्या है, that is यहाँ पे up to 30 days का time इन्हें दिया गया है, okay, not for the. Question number 21 is which ministry signed an MOU with Alliance Air Aviation Limited to boost domestic tourism in India? So your answer is option number B, that is Ministry of Tourism. Now question number 22 is recently in February Sarvananda Sonowal inaugurated India's first water taxi services in which state? So here answer is option number D, that is at the Maharashtra. Question number 23 is Government of India approved the continuation of capacity development scheme of Ministry of Statistics and program implementation till dash with the outlay of dash. So here answer is option number B, that is till 31st March 2026 ये जो स्कीम है उसका कंटिन्यू किया गया है एंड इसका जो आउटले दिया गया है दैट इज 3,179 करोड़ रुपीस का दिया गया है। Question number 24 is in February 2022, Government of India approved the Central Sector Scheme Interoperable Criminal Justice System Phase 2 from 2022-23 से 2025-26 under the guidance of which ministry? So here answer is option number E, that is with the Ministry of Home Affairs. Question number 25 is Rajasthan has maximum household electrified through the solar-based standalone system under the Pradhan Mantri Sahaj Bijli Har Ghar Yojana, that is Saubhagya scheme. The scheme was launched in dash year. So जो ये स्कीम है वो 2017 में आपकी लॉन्च की गई थी. So option number A is the correct answer. Question number 26 is Government of India has reduced agri census for crude palm oil, that is CPO, from 7.5% to dash with the effect from 12th February 2022. So यहाँ पे जो डिक्रीज दिया गया है ये 7.5 से आपका 5% कर दिया गया है. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 27 is dash became first foreign country to deploy India's UPI system for enhancing digitization of cash transaction. So here answer is option number D, that is ये country है नेपाल. Question number 28 is in February 2022 RBI cancelled the license of which bank as bank does not have adequate capital and earning prospects? So here answer is option number A, that is इसका नाम है Mantha Urban Cooperative Bank Limited. Question number 29 is recently in February which organization launched Waste to Wealth Creation program in West Bengal? So your answer is option number C, ये आपकी organization है SIDBI. Question number 30 is, as per ECRO-RAP report, SBI reduced GDP growth projection for financial year 2022 to 8.8% from dash. So earlier it was 9.3%, now it is decreased to 8.8%. And जो ये ECRO-RAP है, ये report release करती है State Bank of India ही. Okay. Question number 31 is, recently in February, National Agriculture Cooperative Marketing Federation of India Limited signed MOU with which company for setting up biofuel projections? So your answer is option number A. ये company है आपकी Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Question number 32 is, in February 2022, Indian Navy test fires advanced C-to-C variant of BrahMos supersonic cruise missile from dash. So it is launched from the INS Visakhapatnam. So option number C is the correct answer. Question number 33 is, a book titled A History of Sri Niketan, Rabindranath Tagore, pioneering work in the rural construction, authored by. So it is authored by the Uma Das Gupta. So option number D is the correct answer. Question number 34 is, who wrote the book titled How to Prevent the Next Pandemic? So it is written by the Bill Gates. So option number B is the correct answer. Now question number 35 is, name the state that recently announced to launch Sant Ravidas Swarojgar Yojana on the birth anniversary of Guru Ravidas. So here answer is option number D, that is ये state है आपका मध्य प्रदेश, and जो है 16 फरवरी को birth anniversary celebrate की जाती है गुरु रविदास जी की. Question number 36 is, central government approved the continuation of RUSA scheme till 31st March 2026 with an expenditure of 12,929.16 crore. In RUSA scheme, S stands for dash. So here S stands for शिक्षा और इसका full form है आपका राष्ट्रीय उच्चतर शिक्षा अभियान. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 37 is, identify the scheme that recently in February 2022 entered into the 7th year of implementation since it was launched on 18 February 2016. So इस स्कीम का नाम है प्रधानमंत्री फसल बीमा योजना. So ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. So 2022 में हमने 6 साल कंप्लीट कर लिए हैं इस स्कीम के, एंड इसके साथ साथ ही यहाँ पे एक और चीज लॉन्च की गई है, दैट इज मेरी पॉलिसी मेरे हाथ. It is a doorstep distribution drive to deliver crop insurance policies. Question number 38 is, which of the following points are correct with respect to the Terry's World Sustainable Development Summit 2022? So first statement क्या कहती है? It is the 12th edition of Terry's World Sustainable Development Summit 2022 that was held virtually from 16th to 18th February 2022. Second statement says, the theme of the event was Towards a Resilient Planet, Ensuring a Sustainable and Equitable Future. Third says, PM Narendra Modi reiterated the two initiative of life, that is lifestyle for environment and pro-planet people, that is 3 P's in the summit. So here answer is option number E, that is all 3 points, all 3 statements are correct. Question number 39 is, recently in February, PM Narendra Modi inaugurated the Kisan Drone Yatra and flagged off 100 Kisan drones to spray pesticides in the farm across India. Kisan Drone Yatra is an initiative by dash. So ये initiative है by the Garud Aerospace Private Limited. So option number B is the correct answer. Question number 40 is, in February 2022, PM Narendra Modi inaugurated Asia's biggest bio-CNG plant, Govardhan, at which of the following city in India with the cost of rupees 150 crore. So here answer is option number D, that is Indore, Madhya Pradesh. So option number D is the correct answer. So I hope guys आपको ये मेरा लेक्चर पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया तो प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन, एंड आपके सजेशन आप हमें भेज सकते हैं benchmarkstudy007@gmail.com पे. और अगर आपको इस लेक्चर की पीडीएफ चाहिए तो आप हमारा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. मैंने यहाँ पे डिस्क्रिप्शन में इसका लिंक दिया हुआ है टेलीग्राम चैनल का, आप वहाँ पे जाके टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हो. एंड अगर अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल को जरूर दबाइएगा ताकि आपको जो हमारी वीडियो है उनकी नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके. सो मिलेंगे आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड हैव अ नाइस डे एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशंस.